Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix Bluetooth problem in your AI Plus smartphone. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings. Then friends you have to come to this search, and here you have to write Bluetooth. Click on this Bluetooth, tap on here, and you can see pair new device. If it is not pairing a new device, so how you can fix? Click on search, right here reset, and click on reset all settings. Then click on reset Bluetooth settings, then click on reset, and this will fix your problem. And you can see Bluetooth settings has been reset successfully. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.